So they finished printing and they came out really well. Starting with the main landing gear, it comes in two parts. So this part goes into the wing, so you could screw the wheel on and off the plane, and then it's the wheel. So you screw it in by just adding these two screws here, which go into the box, and it holds it nicely. And then to reinforce the wheel, I added this wooden dowel on the back, and it makes it a lot stronger and doesn't bend because the PLA is sometimes pretty weak. And the wheel holds on with this cap that I just glued onto the axle of the wheel. The back wheel is really simple, just a wooden dowel being the axle for the wheel, and then just a little 3-prong cap to hold it in place. And I also added these little holes around the connection point to have a strong connection to the plane once I make it by adding wooden dowels through the holes. So now let's get to putting these wheels on the plane. So the landing gear are finished, and I'm really happy on how it went. So everything stayed straight, everything went on easily, and it's nice and strong. So I could drop like this, nothing will happen. So now I'm gonna weigh it out and see if it how much weight it added, and if I could keep it under 400 grams.